My screen goes dead though.
What's up, gang? Yeah. Yeah, this is.
I know.
So,
It's kind of weird. Like I guess you can hold like that too.
hold it straight down.
You gotta know how. Your boy Duke just told me on it. You can. You can do editing on your computer better.
Oh, of course.
With this thing. I fucking love this video. It was beautiful. Has Gary asked you about Mexico or? I think he said it again. Why did he come to you?
I told you that's good for having a good time. I said no. Just fucking with it. Right now, are you having fun? I said no, not at all.
Not one bit.
Fucking break. Top up there is like a big greenhouse.
Yeah, that's cool. I like that.
That's really nice. Almost got hit.
There's a lot of places here that like they have rooftop like green and cool.
Yeah.
I like that's what I like.
Yeah, that looks that's really nice. I think that's a business or that would be a business.
Maybe half and half.
What is this?
Half and half. Where is it?
mamacita. Ay, tacos y chocolate.
That cup shop looks cool right there. Oh, that's what the famous
Churros.
Yeah. Ah, we'll come back. You want right now? You want?
That's when I walked by like 20 times and couldn't find it again. I was like, where's the fucking churros?
Yeah. I've never went in plazas they have them too. That's why I was looking.
Because I didn't go down far enough. I would stop early.
Damn. That's real famous. It's been in there since like 1930s. Yeah, good milkshakes. Still have milkshake in the sure.
I'd get one, yeah.
Sure. I want one, but I don't want right now.
Huh?
You want right now or?
Good. Kind of hungry.
Yeah, I want some tacos later.
You want some what?
Some tacos. Or something, I don't know. There's a fruit place you get smoothies and like salads. And
I'll
like,
do that, yeah.
Let's go back to others. Huh? Let's go by the Hong.
By Hong Kong?
Not by the gorilla. By the rooftop. I think. Okay. I'm gonna do those videos on YouTube, like the walking videos. Nice good bar. That's pretty cool, man.
Fuck, I'm gonna go through it. Like right here.
Like famous milkshakes.
Yeah, tortas. So, torta.
Huh?
Torta.
Yeah.
Pretty good deal.
Torta?
Yeah. Very small. So like one churro versus 4 churros. Like how much? Like a full. That's one. Yes. They ordered up.
Yeah, I'll get one.
We'll do the 4 then. Which do you want? Like
I do Americana.
oh no, this. Like vanilla chocolate.
Vanilla.
Vanilla. You want a coffee?
Americana.
Americano?
¿Caliente o frío?
Frío.
¿Para quién para llevar? ¿Por qué tuvo?
Chico.
Me gusta andar para